Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to export an Excel file from QuickBooks. First, go to your dashboard and on the upper right corner, click on the settings or gear icon. Then under the tools, click on export data. Now, you can unselect or select these options like customers, employees, suppliers, and such. You can also customize the date of the data that you want to gather. Then just click on Export to Excel and click on OK. Now you can see that your Excel file is downloaded. Just click on it and it will show you all the data that you chose. And that's it. Your data is now exported from QuickBooks into Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.